Hello everyone and welcome back to Neil Explains. I come with this very tricky math question. This is actually very simple if you follow a stepwise rule, but when you don't follow the rule, you will find it tricky. So try to solve by your own and comment whatever your answer will be. I will give you shout out here. These are top commenters. You can be the part of this list. So we have 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 2. Okay. So there is only one operation, division, so we will simply divide it. But to divide, we will use the KCF. KCF stands for keep, change and flip. We will keep this as it is. We should change this division into multiplication, and 1 by 2 will be flipped down to 2 by 1. Okay, so we will write here our question again, like 1 by 8 divided by 1 by 2. When we apply the KCF here, we will keep 1 by 8 as it is, and this division is changed to multiplication, and we will write 1 by 2 as 2 by 1. Simply 2 times 1, 4, or you can say 1 times 1 and 4 times 1, which equals to 1 by 4. This is the right answer. And if you're seniors, then must check out our best product link for you in the description. Like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.